Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are on day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and our sponsor for today's video is Golden Chateau KE. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, but they do offer interior design services and sell home decor and organizing pieces. So without wasting more time, let's get to see what their page offers. As I mentioned, their page is Golden Chateau KE. And from their page you can see that they do have some pillow covers. You can get some floating shelves with the ones that have leather and a wooden piece, and you can get fairy lights from the page. Fairy lights makes a room feel cozy, warm and very homely. So if you're looking for curtain lights, you can get that from them. And we have this cute vanity tray. This would be so beautiful for you to organize you can even do your makeup brushes, you can do your foundation and lipsticks, all those things, or you can even do like items for the ones that you use for your skincare routine. So this is very beautiful and it adds aesthetics to your place. And you can see that they do have dummy decor books. So if you're searching for a decor book to place maybe on your coffee table, you can definitely check them out. And they do have mats, very interesting designs. And we have this is a very interesting toilet paper hanger. So a place where you can just place your toilet paper. This is so unique. I've never seen such an item. So they do have, we have the doormats. As I mentioned, that they do have very good designs. We have some throw blankets. So if your theme is bohemian, this would be perfect for your place. Or even if you're doing maybe a black and white, maybe black and white is your theme, this one will go very well. So as you can see, they do have pillows and very interesting bathroom set. So if you're into African, if you want to get in touch with your roots, this is a good set that you can get in your space. And then we have the floating shelves, and these are so good. They add that aesthetic to your place. And also you don't have to do like, if you don't have a large space that you're hanging your shelves, this would be the perfect kind of shelf to go for. So in a nutshell, you can we have more doormats, different designs, and this is what their page has to offer. So for today's giveaway, they have been so generous and they are giving away fairy lights 10 meters. 10 meters is a lot. Yeah, so if you'd like to add some coziness, some warmth to your space by adding fairy lights, and you'd love to win one, kindly comment down in the comment section below that you're interested, and I'll be selecting a winner tomorrow morning. So kindly, if you're interested, kindly join the giveaway, and I'm wishing you all the best. And that is it for today's video. I'll see you tomorrow with yet another giveaway. Bye.